Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. This is my first vlog. I am starting my vlogging today and I am going to go for shopping and I will take you guys with me and let's see what we can find today. So I had no cash in my purse, so I came to the ATM. Now I'm going to the metro. So I'm in the lift now. Let's go to the mall. Here comes the metro. So guys, I have reached the mall. Now I'm going inside. So I'm going to eat something first and I'm going to eat Popeyes, my favorite. And let's go because I am so hungry. एक तो आते ही इतने मस्त मस्त केक्स दिख जाते हैं ना, मन करता है सब ले लो. These are so good. And these also, these are so freaking good. So I've just ordered from Popeyes. As you can see in my glasses also, it's written Popeyes. I'm sitting just in front of it. So I'm waiting for my order now and I will show you guys what I ordered when it comes. So guys, this is bold chicken burger, Cajun fries and bold Cajun dip and Pepsi. So थोड़ी सी पेट पूजा करके चलते हैं शॉपिंग. देन आपको दिखाती हूँ बहुत मस्त मस्त चीज़ें जो भी मैं लेने वाली हूँ आज. सो पेट पूजा हो चुकी है. लेट्स गो फॉर द शॉपिंग. फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग इन लाइफस्टाइल नाउ. So here is lifestyle. So I'm going inside and I will show you what I like and what I will purchase. Look at the sweater. This is like my favorite color. But damn, this is so expensive. Let's see something new. So I couldn't find anything in lifestyle. I'm now going in H&M. So recently new H&M store has been opened in Pacific Mall, so I'm going inside to look into it. Let's see. This is so extravagant. Oh my god, these earrings are so good, so good. These are so expensive though. Literally इतना ज़्यादा कौन कहाँ पे पहनेगा. This is too extravagant. So I just found this cute top inside H&M. This is so cute. And this is a perfect color which I wanted. So H&M is keeping up with the trend. Black clip. Let's go now. Now I'm going to Zara to see if there is something I can find. My god, these are so cute. So now I am going to Decathlon. People are so crazy. Just look at what they have done to this mannequin. Last time I came, I saw the bikes and I really wanted one to go to some rides on my weekend. So I saw this one, Rock Rider ST30 with 7 gears, and I will buy this someday. So I am going to buy this t-shirt which is cheap and it serves the purpose because I have been wearing a black one from a very long time and it's great. This is also so cute, but this is so light for wearing. It will get so dirty. Every time I come in Decathlon, I get so confused by all these. Like I really like exercising, so I really wanted to buy just everything here, but I can't. Sadly. Let's see what else is there. Now I am going to the New Me store and let's see what I can find here. There are some cute stuff, but mostly I feel like there are some impractical stuff which we can't wear everywhere. Like, only my one problem of coming here is look at these dresses. They are so long. They are not designed for Indian people. Literally, Indian people's average height doesn't compare to these dresses. Something unique. This is so cute. But I don't know where I can wear it. Now I am heading to IKEA. Let's go and see what I can find next. So I got a oatmeal raisin cookie and this chocobar. This chocobar is so cheap. This is for just 25 rupees. Yeah. This shop is literally one of the best part of coming to IKEA. Like literally, and you can test out the sofa also by sitting on it, and you can walk into it like a room. It's so convenient and so good. It's so relaxing. One of the best thing of IKEA is this container. I just took two last time and it was great for organizing things. So now I'm going to the Miniso. So the store has opened just now in Pacific Mall. This is a huge store. I'm taking the mask, which one is collagen and one is niacinamide. These are my favorite mask of this store. Let's find something cute really fast because this is the last store and then I will be heading back to my home. Look at this. Hello. It's so cute. Also, I'm getting this cute Kurumi back charm, and these are so cute. All of it is so cute, and this one is just like a cat. I'm buying this. We got the goods. Let's go. Thank you, really, guys, if you stayed this long. I'm ending this vlog right now, and meet you in the next one. Bye.